Have you ever wondered what your personal style says about you? What if we told you it's a reflection of your personality, preferences, and lifestyle? Yes, that's right. Your personal style is a powerful form of self-expression and can be a game changer when it comes to making a lasting impression. First things first, understanding personal style. It's not about expensive brands or the latest trends. It's about who you are and how you choose to represent yourself to the world. And remember, personal style is dynamic. It can evolve as you grow and change. The journey to discovering your personal style starts with self-reflection. Ask yourself, what colors make you feel confident? Are you a fan of classic pieces, or do you lean towards the trendy? What styles resonate with you? It's all about understanding your likes, dislikes, and the image you want to project. Next, create a style mood board. This can be digital or physical, but it should include images of outfits, colors, and styles that appeal to you. It's a great way to visualize the elements you are drawn to. Now think about your style icons. Who are the people whose style you admire? How can you incorporate elements of their style into yours? Remember, this isn't about copying someone else's look. It's about taking inspiration and making it your own. Experimentation is key. Try out new colors, patterns, or styles that you haven't considered before. Step out of your comfort zone. You might just discover a new favorite. Then comes building a signature look. This could be a specific accessory, a color palette, or a particular type of clothing. Having a signature look or element can become a recognizable part of your style. It's important to periodically evaluate and edit your style. Ask yourself, what worked well? What didn't? Refining your style over time is part of the process. Consider documenting your style journey. Keep a style journal or share your evolving style on social media. It's a great way to track your progress and can serve as a reference for future style decisions. Don't forget to seek feedback. Constructive criticism from friends or fashion-savvy individuals can provide valuable insights. And last but not least, understand that your personal style will evolve. It's okay for your preferences to change. Embrace the journey of self-discovery through fashion. Remember, your personal style is a reflection of you. So, make it count.